Hidden leaks can lead to a lot of water waste and a big increase in your water bill. The problem is, they're often pretty hard to find. With the tips and tricks in this video, you'll be able to locate any leaky culprits and flush out the drips that need to be fixed, so you can save more inside and out. Let's check out one of the biggest culprits of household waste, the toilet. Let's start by taking a good look at all the components. Here's the float adjustment, the flapper, and the fill valve. All of these things can lead to some seriously wasteful washroom leaks. So, how do you know if your commode is being a real drip? Use this quick and easy method for locating toilet leaks. Place a few drops of food coloring in the toilet tank. Set a timer and wait 10 minutes. When your timer goes off, check to see if the food coloring has spread into your toilet bowl. And if it has, that means you have a leaky flapper. When this little stinker gets stuck or doesn't seal properly, it stays wide open, wasting hundreds of gallons in a matter of hours. Seriously. And here's how to find out if your flapper is functioning properly or being a real flub. Remove the toilet tank lid. Flush the toilet a couple of times to see if the flapper is back in place and working correctly. If it isn't, take a look at the chain or float ball, since they are the two most common reasons it isn't closing properly. Once you've checked for leaks and located any waste-causing issues, replace those faulty components as soon as possible. Then sit back on that throne and think about all the savings. Now that we've conquered any issues in here, let's head outside. Did you know that nearly half the water we use every year is on our yards? It's true. And that means any hidden leaks out here can lead to an enormous and expensive amount of waste. And the best way to put a plug in that is to locate any leaks in your irrigation system. Let's start by taking a look at the irrigation controller. That's a tricky contraption that can be pretty darn confusing. So let's cut through the fog and learn how to master this mystifying machine. Have you seen your sprinklers run at odd times? If so, it's a good indication that your controller has unintended programs running. Toggle through all programs. Usually there are 3, A, B, and C, to find out if any extra programs or start times are running without your knowledge. Then check run times and days of the week to make sure your system only waters 2 to 3 times per week. Last but not least, look for the % or seasonal adjust button. It looks like this. If your controller has one, make sure it's set no higher than 100%. Now that we've cleared up common mistakes regarding your controller, let's head over and check your irrigation system for any hidden leaks. Turn each sprinkler zone on. Check for low pressure or water bubbling from the ground or irrigation components. This means your system has sprung a leak somewhere. Now, check your backflow and solenoid valves for drips. Then look for broken sprinkler heads or missing drip emitters. Once you've located the leak, don't waste any time or any more water. Replace the faulty parts at a fast-flowing pace. Then get ready to lay back, soak up some sun, and watch your neighbors turn green with envy over your lush and leak-free water-wise lawn. Cheers. Need extra help? Contact Utility Billing with questions about unusually high water use. Schedule a free water consultation, and check out the entire DeMistified series for more water-saving tips at thorntonwater.com.